Two ingredients, under $2, already sitting in your kitchen right now. And they can eliminate 13 different household pests without toxic chemicals, without expensive exterminators, and without putting your kids or pets at risk. I know that sounds too good to be true. I thought so too. But after testing every single one of these methods myself, I can tell you, this stuff actually works. So today, I'm going to walk you through all 13 pests, one by one, and show you exactly what to do. Baking soda and vinegar. That's it. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain why these two ingredients are so effective. Because once you understand the science, you'll know how to use them with confidence. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, works in two key ways. First, it disrupts the pH balance inside an insect's digestive system when ingested, causing a fatal gas buildup. Second, its fine abrasive particles damage the waxy outer coating of insects, causing them to dehydrate. White vinegar, acetic acid, is a powerful contact repellent and killer. Insects hate the smell, it destroys their scent trails, and when sprayed directly, it corrodes their exoskeletons. Together, they're a 1-2 punch for pest control. All right, pest number 1. Pest 1, ants. Ants navigate by scent trails. Destroy the trail, you destroy the colony's roadmap into your home. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray directly along ant trails, entry points, and windowsills. For bait, mix baking soda with equal parts powdered sugar. The sugar lures them in, the baking soda does the work internally. Repeat daily for 3 to 5 days. You'll notice the trails disappear fast. Pest 2. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are tougher, but not invincible. Baking soda mixed with equal parts sugar makes a lethal bait. Place small jar lids of the mixture near drains, under appliances, and along baseboards at night when they're most active. They eat it. They can't survive it. Refresh the bait every 2 to 3 days and combine with a vinegar wipe down of surfaces to eliminate food odors that attract them. Pest 3. Fruit flies. Fruit flies are arguably the most annoying pest in the kitchen. Here's the fastest trap I know. Pour a half cup of apple cider vinegar into a glass, add a drop of dish soap, and cover with plastic wrap poked with small holes. The vinegar smell draws them in. The soap breaks the surface tension. They can't escape. You'll catch dozens overnight, empty and reset daily until they're gone. Pest 4. Drain flies. Drain flies breed in the organic gunk inside your pipes. Once a week, pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of white vinegar. Let it foam and fizz for 15 to 20 minutes. That's the reaction breaking down the biofilm they breed in. Then flush with boiling water. Do this weekly and you'll never see another drain fly. Pest 5. Spiders. Spiders aren't insects, so baking soda bait won't work on them. But vinegar? Absolutely. Spiders taste and smell through their legs. Vinegar is deeply irritating to them on contact. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar and spray it directly in corners, window frames, and doorways. It won't kill them on contact, but it creates a powerful repellent barrier. Reapply every week, especially after rain. Pest 6. Silverfish. Silverfish love moisture and starchy materials. Think books, wallpaper, and cardboard. Sprinkle dry baking soda along bookshelves, in closets, and behind furniture. It dehydrates them on contact with their soft bodies and acts as a long-lasting deterrent. For an extra punch, spray vinegar along the baseboards of damp areas like bathrooms. The combination makes your home genuinely inhospitable to them. Pest 7. Fleas. If you have pets, you know how quickly fleas can get out of control. Here's what works. Sprinkle baking soda generously into your carpet, work it in with a brush, and let it sit for at least 12 hours. Overnight is better. It penetrates the carpet fibers and dehydrates flea eggs and larvae. Then vacuum thoroughly and immediately dispose of the vacuum bag outside. For hard floors, a vinegar and water spray is your go-to. Clean floors daily during an infestation. Pest 8. Mosquitoes. You can't kill mosquitoes with baking soda and vinegar. Let's be honest. but you can make yourself far less attractive to them. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda into a bowl of water outside. It produces small amounts of CO2 as it slowly dissolves. Mosquitoes are drawn to CO2, so it works as a decoy trap when you add a drop of dish soap. And spraying vinegar on outdoor surfaces discourages them from resting nearby. Pest 9. Weevils. Finding weevils in your flour or rice is a horrible surprise. Here's how to prevent and treat it. First, wipe down pantry shelves with undiluted white vinegar and let it air dry. It kills eggs and larvae and deters adults from returning. Place open containers of dry baking soda on pantry shelves as an ongoing deterrent. It absorbs moisture weevils need to thrive and creates an inhospitable environment. Pest 10. Wasps. Do not attempt to treat an active wasp nest yourself. That's a job for professionals. But for deterrents and lone wasps? A spray bottle of undiluted white vinegar works well. Spray directly on a single wasp to kill it. Wipe down outdoor furniture, window frames, and porch edges with vinegar to discourage nesting in those spots. In early spring, spray potential nesting areas before colonies establish. Prevention is everything with wasps. Pest 11. Earwigs. Earwigs love dark, damp spaces and will move inside in summer. Spray a strong mix of 2 parts vinegar to 1 part water along foundation walls, door frames, and anywhere you've seen them. Inside, sprinkle baking soda in areas where they shelter. Under the sink, inside dark cabinets. Unlike earwigs, it never sleeps. Pest 12. Mice. Now, baking soda and vinegar won't trap or catch a mouse, but they're surprisingly effective as deterrents and for covering the rodent odors that attract more mice. Mice hate the sharp smell of vinegar. Soak cotton balls in undiluted white vinegar and place them in entry points, gaps near pipes, corners of cabinets, under appliances. For baking soda, mix it into peanut butter in small amounts as bait left near suspected entry points. The gas it produces internally is fatal to mice because, unlike humans, they cannot expel it. Pest 13. Garden slugs and snails. Last one, and this one is incredibly satisfying. Slugs and snails are extremely sensitive to both vinegar and baking soda. Sprinkle dry baking soda directly onto slugs in your garden. It draws moisture from their body instantly. Spray straight white vinegar on garden paths and borders at dusk when slugs emerge. You can also mix baking soda into your soil around plants. It raises the pH slightly, which slugs dislike, and gives your plants a mild boost too. Before I wrap up, a few important things I want you to remember. Always use white vinegar for pest control, not balsamic or red wine vinegar. The acetic acid content is higher and the scent is more potent. Baking soda loses potency when it gets damp. Replace any bait or sprinkle applications every 3 to 4 days, especially in humid climates. Neither of these ingredients is a complete solution for severe infestations. If you've got a full-blown cockroach or rodent problem, call in a professional and use these methods as a supplement and prevention strategy. These are completely safe around children and pets once dry. That's one of the biggest advantages over commercial pesticides. 2 ingredients, 13 pests, and I'm willing to bet at least one of those solutions is going to solve a problem you've been dealing with for way too long. The best part? You've probably already got both of these sitting in your kitchen right now, so there's genuinely no reason not to try. If this was useful, do me a favor and hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this video. And if you want to see more natural home solutions like this, subscribe. I put out new videos every week. Drop a comment below and tell me which pest you're dealing with. I read every single one and I'll point you to the right method. I'll see you in the next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda.